Yes, so our next season. So after the autumn season comes winter season. WINTER, winter season. Okay children, winter season. So autumn season is in the month of October and November. Then winter season comes after the autumn season. We can say this is a season of cold days and nights. Cold days and nights. Actually winter season is a season of cold days and nights, we can say. It comes after the autumn season. It begins from November, then last till the end of January. It begins in the month of November. October and November we get autumn season, but soon after autumn season, the month of November itself, winter season starts, and up to the end of January. End of January. It will be, winter season will be up to the end of January month. Beginning of the month November. In the month of November it begins, beginning of the month, then it up to January end it will be the winter season, season of cold days and nights. It is a pleasant season. That season is so pleasant, so lovely. People buy blankets, sweaters, mufflers, gloves and monkey caps, etc. in order to protect the body from chilly winter. The winter is so cool, so pleasant and but so cool, isn't it? So we buy blankets, sweaters, mufflers, scarf that you wear around the neck, gloves in the for the hands. So you can see old people wearing sweaters, gloves, mufflers, monkey cap, everything when they go out. Because in winter season, everyone feels so cool. You also wear, isn't it, children? Will you wear sweaters, mufflers or gloves, monkey caps? Yes, we need to wear if you go out, isn't it? Otherwise you feel so cool. Yes. So why we are wearing that? To protect our body, to protect ourselves. Then only we feel so warm. Otherwise, because of this season, it's so cool, we get shivering and or we feel so cool. So to protect our body, to make ourselves so warm, we have to put all this sweaters or scarf or we say gloves, isn't it? Yes. So that is about winter season. Winter season is the season of cold days and nights, we can say. Night also, if we sleep, we all will be under the blankets, heavy blankets. If we are so cool, then we definitely need blankets, isn't it? We won't put fan and all, isn't it? Because already it is cool. Fan makes us more cool. So we switch off the fan and we all will be under the blankets, thick blankets in the winter season, isn't it? So cool it will be. When we go out, we wear sweaters. At home only we can use blanket. Outside, while we are sleeping, outside if we go, we use sweaters, monkey caps, isn't it? Gloves we use, mufflers we use. Okay, so winter season is the season of cold days and nights. And we use, if we are at home, we wish to eat some hot items your mother prepares, like some delicious and yummy or tasty food. Hot we want to eat because it's already so cool. So if we eat some hot food, we like it, isn't it? So soon after your mother prepares the food you want to eat, gets that heat is good. So we wanted to eat like that, isn't it? Hot tea or hot coffee to drink, hot water to drink, or hot bhaji we like to have in this winter season, isn't it? Hot bhaji or hot dosa, masala dosa, etc. Isn't it? Yes. So that is about winter season. Then last comes after winter, spring. Spring comes after winter. SPRING, spring season. Spring comes after winter. The spring season usually comes during the month of March and April. Actually, during the month of March and April, which season comes? Spring. Okay. Yes, we feel neither too hot nor too cold. In the spring season, how the climate will be? Not so cool and not so hot. Moderate, in between this heat and cold, we say. In spring season, we can see beautiful flowers blossoming around, means producing. That is a season of producing flowers, we say. Spring season is a season of flowers, beautiful flowers, we say. Beautiful flowers, or producing flowers all around. We can see flowers. Flower season. Okay. New green leaves appear on trees. On trees we can see new green leaves, greenery, and full of flowers. Okay, that is a specialty of spring season. Flowers get blossom. They produce new flowers. We can see in every plant or trees. And trees we can see green leaves also. Okay, so that is a specialty of spring season. So, children, what we learned today? Yes, about seasons, different seasons. We always experience different kind of weather conditions in our country. Yes, we experience different weather conditions. So, based on this weather conditions, we have 4 main seasons in India. About these seasons we learned 4 main seasons in India. That is like summer, then rainy, then autumn, then winter. But actually there are 5 seasons. But in India we experience only 4. Along these 4 seasons, spring season is also there. Isn't it? Yes. So first we learned about summer season. Summer, S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer season. So what is the specialty of this season, children? Any special thing is there? No special, because so hot. So we can say it is the hottest month. We feel so tired. We always feel to drink water, isn't it? Sun shines very brightly. So it is very difficult to go out. If we go out, what happens? We feel so tired. But anyway, we need to go out, isn't it? But people feel so tired. They have to drink more water in this season. And this season comes in the month of, it starts in the month of, March. Then it continue continues up to June, isn't it? It starts in the beginning of March, then it continues up to the month of June. That is the summer season. Soon after summer season we get rain. So we feel so happy. Soon after that hot heat of the sun, we are getting some relief. So it is rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy season. Soon after the summer we get rain, so we feel so little bit comfort in this season. And if we want to go out, we have to use umbrella. And children, we all should use, others also should use raincoat, isn't it, to travel outside. Yes, so rainy season. Rainy season, it starts in the month of July, isn't it? Soon after summer, from July, and it continues up to September, isn't it? September. Then we feel to have hot tea and all. Because it's raining outside, we feel to have hot dishes at home. Hot dishes of your mother, tasty food, isn't it? Yes. Then after the rainy season, which season will come? Yes, autumn season. A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn season. Soon after the rainy season, we experience autumn season. It is in the which month? October and November. Usually autumn, we experience the autumn season, October and November. October, and in this season what happens? Yeah, the leaves of the trees dry up, or we can say the color of the leaves gets changed. It changes into brown or yellow and it falls down, isn't it? That is happening during this season. Leaves get dry up, or they change, the color get changed into yellow and brown and it falls. In autumn season, isn't it? But specialty of the season is, we can say it is a fruit gathering season or fruit collecting season, harvesting of fruits, we say. That is a specialty of autumn season, fruit gathering season. Which season it is? It is the autumn season. And which months we experience this season? In the month of October and November. Then soon after the autumn season, we experience which season? Yes, winter season. We experience winter season, isn't it? Winter season, we feel so cool. We need to wear sweaters, mufflers, monkey caps, gloves, etc. Then in winter season, it comes in the month of what? From November it starts and it will end. It will be there up to the end of January, isn't it? It will be there up to the end of the January month. We feel so cool during this season, isn't it? Then we feel to, same thing, we feel to have hot dishes this time because we feel so cool. Okay, then after the winter season comes the spring season, spring. We can say it is a season of flowers, beautiful flowers, season of beautiful flowers, blossoming, we say. Plants produce flowers during this time, and on trees we can see green leaves, isn't it? So usually this spring season comes in the month of March and March and April. March and April. So in India, during this season we have summer. So in India we won't able to experience this season. In other countries, during these months they get this season. They experience spring. Wherever we see, look around, we can see full of flowers. In other countries they have the season spring, but in India we have only these 4 seasons, isn't it? In India we experience only 4 seasons, that is summer, rainy, autumn and winter. In other countries we have spring season also, or we can say it's a flower season, blossoming of beautiful flowers, isn't it? Okay, so that is about our lesson today. So it's time to recall. Weather means the condition of our surroundings, isn't it? Weather means what? Condition of the surroundings, whether it is hot or cool. It is called weather. There are mainly 5 seasons in India: spring, summer, rainy, autumn and winter, but we experience only 4. Spring falls between winter and summer. Between winter and summer, actually spring season. In spring season, plants are blossomed with beautiful flowers, or we can say it is a pleasant season of producing flowers, isn't it? In summer, the sun rays become hotter day by day. Day by day in summer season, sun shines brightly, isn't it? So it becomes so hot. That's why we are experiencing more heat during summer season. The winter season comes after the autumn season, or winter season we can say it is a season of cold days and nights. Soon after the autumn season comes the winter season. Okay children? Yes. So that's about our lesson today. So tell me now, which season do you like the most? Is it summer, rainy, or autumn, or winter, or spring? Which season do you like the most? You have answer, isn't it children? Now you learned about what are different seasons in India, what are the climate or weather conditions in those seasons, isn't it? So now you know which are the seasons in India, and which now you can answer which season do you like the most. Okay? Yes. So the lesson is over, so we'll go to the exercise part.